Hello students, welcome to all 4 learning classes. So in last topic we discussed about the potential due to the electric dipole and also potential due to system of charges. So now about the zero potential. Okay, here we are discussing about the zero potential. Zero potential or null potential. So we know that what is potential is a scalar quantity. Potential will be a scalar quantity. So if a system contains two charges, two unlike charges, then only the net potential will be zero at any other point. Okay. So zero potential is obtained when the two charges are unlike charges, but whereas in case of intensity of electric field, there the null point is obtained for both like charges and unlike charges. But here the null potential is obtained when the system contains only two opposite charges. That is, one of them positive, the other is a negative. For example, here if two charges are separated by certain distance, then the zero potential points are obtained at two different cases. One is inside the system of two charges, the other is outside the system of two charges. Okay. First of all, here let us consider here two charges Q1, Q2. Let us take Q1 is positive and Q2 is negative. Positive plus Q1 minus Q2 are separated by the distance R. Two charges are separated by a distance R here. And assume that the charge Q1 is magnitude of the Q1 is less than the magnitude of Q2. Q1 is less than Q2. See, in such condition, let us take the null point is obtained first of all in between the system of two charges. Okay, the null point is obtained between the system of two charges. Let us consider the null point is obtained at the point P. P be the null point, nothing but null potential, zero potential point, which is there at a distance of x from the Q1 charge. At a distance x from the Q1 charge. And what about from Q2? This is R minus x. R minus x from Q2. Now what is, let us take V1 be the potential at the point P by the charge Q1. What is V1 be the potential at the point P by the charge Q1? V1 be the potential at point P, okay, at point P by the charge Q1, by the charge Q1, okay. What is V1 can be written as potential due to point charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q1 will be the charge and what is the distance x? Distance is x here. In the same way, V2 be the potential. V2 be the potential at point P by the charge minus Q2. By the charge minus Q2. Okay. So what is V2 can be written as V2 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the charge here? This is a negative charge, minus Q2. You should write minus Q2 only. And what is the distance? The distance is R minus x here. R minus x. And what is a net potential means? The algebraic sum of the individual potentials. V net is equals to V1 plus V2. What is V net is equals to V1 plus V2. That is V net is equals to V1 value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by X plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q2 by R minus X. Okay. See here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common, or what is V net is equal to V1 plus V2, which is equals to 0 here because 0 potential. The algebraic sum of these two potential must be 0. Then we may write like this: 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by X is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q2 by R minus X. Okay, sum of these two terms is equal to 0. Here plus into minus, minus. Outside the is equals to, it becomes again plus. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel. What is here actually, we may interchange these two terms. R minus X by X is equals to Q2 by Q1. Q2 by Q1. R by X minus X by X minus 1, which is equals to Q2 by Q1. Okay. R by X is equals to Q2 by Q1 plus 1. Therefore, what is X can be written as X is equals to R by Q2 by Q1 plus 1. So this is a expression for potential, okay, zero potential, when two unlike charges are separated by certain distance, or two null points, two null potential points are obtained. One is inside the system, the other is outside the system of two charges. What is the expression for when a null point is obtained? Here null potential is obtained in between the system of two charges. From the charge, lesser magnitude of the charge, lower magnitude of the charge Q1, the null point is obtained at a distance of X is equal to R by Q2 by Q1 plus 1. Okay. Next, coming to the second case. Second case, if same two charges Q1, Q1 minus Q2, okay, separated by the distance R. Here also two charges are separated by a distance R, right? Now the null point is obtained, null potential is obtained outside the system of two charges. Outside the system of two charges. Let us take here X be the distance of the null potential point from the charge Q1. Here also what is the distance is X, but the null potential is obtained outside the system at a distance of X. In the same way, here also find the potential at the point P by the charge Q1 and also by the charge minus Q2. So similarly, you should write here V1 be the potential, at point P outside the system. This is at point P by the charge Q1, So can we write like this? What is V1 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the charge is Q1 here? Q1. And what is the distance of the point P from the Q1 is again X. This is a potential at the point P by the charge, positive charge Q1. Next, V2 be the potential at point P okay, by the charge minus q2. Okay, here now what is the difference between here the first case and second case means, in the first case when the potential is zero in between the system of two charges, the first from the first charge the distance is x only, here also x, but here when the null point is obtained in between the system from the second charge, what is the distance in the previous case, r minus x, but here what is the distance of point P from the negative charge is r plus x. So here V2 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q2 by r plus x. Okay, so these are the individual potentials at the point P by the charge q1 and minus q2. But what is the net potential is, net potential will be 0. V net is equals to 0, that is V1 plus V2 is equals to 0. What is the value of V1? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 by x plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q2 by r plus x is equals to 0. Okay, now which can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 by x plus into minus minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q2 by r plus x. Okay, which can is equals to 0 here. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 by x, that is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught here q2 by r plus x, q2 by r plus x. Now both sides 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught get cancelled. Okay, now again interchange these two terms here. Okay, here what is q1 by x, here q2 by x. If you are interchanging, r plus x by x is equals to q2 by q1, q2 by q1. That implies, can we write like this, r by x plus x by x is 1 is equals to q2 by q1. Means r by x is equals to q2 by q1 minus 1. Therefore, what is we need x value? X be the distance of the null point from the charge q1. So therefore, what is x is equals to r by q2 by q1 minus 1. Okay, x is equals to r by q2 by q1 minus 1. Means actually what is here null potential formula means x is equals to r by q2 by q1, we may write plus or minus 1. So positive sign is for when the null potential is obtained in between the system. Positive sign used for what is between the system of two charges. Positive sign when potential will be 0, when potential 0, okay, inside the system of two charges, inside the system. Okay, and what is the negative sign? Here we got outside the system. Negative sign when potential becomes 0 outside the system. Okay, see, for formula what is x is equal to r by q2 by q1 plus or minus 1. Two null points is obtained. One is inside the system. For inside the system, here we are using the positive sign, and if the null potential is obtained outside the system, so we should use a negative sign. Okay. Now, for suppose if the question may be asked like this, if two charges, Okay, let us take two charges are plus q and two like charges, let us take plus q, positive charges, are kept at the corners of an equilateral triangle of side A. Okay, here what are two like charges of magnitude plus q are kept at the corners of a equilateral triangle of side A. Now what is the net potential? Okay, net potential at the vacant corner. So directly what is we need to find here? Potential at the point P, or let us take ABC is an equilateral triangle. If you are observing, let us take V1 be the potential at the point A, okay, by the charge kept at the point B. What will get? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by A only. And the same way, what is V2 also? Potential at the same point A by the charge plus q which is kept at the point C. Same distance. So here what will get again? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by A. So these are not vectors. Potential is a scalar. So we may write like this. What is net potential? V is equals to V1 plus V2. Algebraic sum. So what will get? V is equals to 2q by 4 pi epsilon naught A, or we may write V is equals to q by 2 pi epsilon naught A. Okay, so this is one of the problem. Or the question may be asked like this also. If two charges one of them is positive charge plus q and two are negative charges minus q, kept at the three charges minus q plus q are kept at the corner vertices of an equilateral triangle of side 10 centimeters, of side 10 centimeters. Now what is the potential in between the two charges of minus q and minus q? We should find here. And the given what is q is equals to 5 microcoulomb. What is given? The magnitude of the charge is 5 microcoulomb. Side of the equilateral triangle is 10 centimeters. Means from the negative, we should calculate the potential at the point P. From the negative charges to the point P, what is the distance here? 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Okay. From the positive charge, what is the distance here? Under root of 10 square minus 5 square. According to Pythagoras theorem, what will get here? This is a 10 centimeter, this is a 5 centimeter. We need this value. This is 10 and 5. Under root of 10 square minus 5 square, 75, 5 root 3. 5 root 3 centimeters. Okay. Now potential due to system of charges. See here. Three charges are there. First one, V1 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q by R1. And what about V2? V2 also 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q by R2. Here R1 is equals to R2 is equals to 5 centimeters. That is 5 into 10 power minus 2 meters. Okay. But what is the third charge is positive charge. Plus q is there. And what is the distance of the point P from the third charge is 5 root 3. V3 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught plus q by R3. R3 is 5 root 3 centimeters. 5 root 3 into 10 power minus 2 meters. But we need to find a net potential. What is net potential here? See here. Net potential V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So, we may write like this. V is equals to, in all the terms, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. And what is the magnitude is also common. The magnitude of the charge 5 microcoulomb is also common. So, you may take q by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. So what you will get here, minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, that is Q is equal to 5 microcoulomb, 5 into 10 power minus 6, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 9 into 10 power 9, 1 by, what is R1 value? 5 centimeters. Okay, this is a negative sign, minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 plus 5 root 3. Centimeters are there, convert into meters, into 10 power minus 2. That is V is equals to 45. Here plus 5, it becomes plus 5. Okay, so minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by root 3 plus 5 root 3. V is equals to 45 into 10 to the power of 5. Okay, what is V is equals to 45 into 10 power 5. If 5 is also common, what you will get here? Minus 2 plus 1 by root 3. Minus 2 plus 1 by root 3. So 5 ones are 5 nines are. V is equals to 9 into 10 to the power of 5 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Okay, so on simplifying you will get what is a negative sign, means the potential may be negative or it may be positive also. Here you will get, on simplifying, here minus 12.7 root 3 you will get. V is equals to minus 12.7 root 3 into 10 to the power of 5 volts. Okay, so such type of problems will be asked based on the system of charges. For suppose here we are taking another one. If 4 charged particles are kept at the corners, okay, corners of the square. What are 2 positive charges and 2 are negative charges? 4 charges, 2 positive charges plus Q and plus Q, and 2 negative charges minus Q and minus Q are kept at the 4 corners of a square of side A. Now what is the potential in such condition is potential at the center of the square, means from center to either of the charge, what is the distance is same or not. Now if it is R, the total R is always, okay, the center of the square is equidistant from the corner. Now this is a positive charge and this is a negative charge, they cancel. Again this is a positive charge, this is a negative charge. 2 positive charges, 2 negative charges are there. What is the net charge of the system is 0. When the net charge of the system is 0, the potential is also 0. Here what is potential at the center is 0. Okay, so instead of these 2 positive, 2 negative, if all are like charges, let us take the this side of a square is 2a. What is the side of the square is 2a here. Now 4 charges, positive charges are kept at the corners. 4 positive charges are kept at the corners of a square. Now what is the potential? Okay, at the center. See here, this is 2a and 2a. What about this value? Under root of 2 square plus 2 square. Again you will get R value or not. So simply, if V be the potential, let us take the distance is R here. Okay, we should find R value. Okay, let it be AA. What about root 2a here? The side is A here. If side is A, what is R will becomes? This is root 2a, R is equals to root 2a by 2, that is a by root 2. Okay, if V be the potential, okay, V1 be the potential at center by the single charge, at center by a single charge. What is V1? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the charge kept Q? What is the distance? R is equals to A by root 2. That is root 2 Q by 4 pi epsilon naught A. Root 2 Q by 4 pi epsilon naught A. Like how many charges are there here? 4 identical charges are there. When 4 identical charges are kept at the 4 corners, this is a potential at the center by the single corner, single charge. So we know that what is actually V net is equals to, here we may write like this, V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4. But all are equal. V2, V1, V3, V4 are equal. We may write what is V net is equals to 4V1 or 4V. So therefore what happens here? V net, net potential at the center is equal to 4V1. That is 4. What is V1 value? Root 2Q by 4 pi epsilon naught A. Therefore net potential is equals to root 2Q by pi epsilon naught A. Okay. So this is about the problems based on the system of charges. Whenever we are calculating potential due to the system of charges, so these are the problems. V net is equals, here we got root 2Q by pi epsilon naught A. So some of the charges are kept at the corners, or some of the charges are kept at the square. Okay, corners of a square, we should find the potential at midpoint of or center or midpoint of any one of the side. Okay. Okay, now the question may be asked like this. If a charge of 1 microcoulomb, a charge of 1 microcoulomb is kept at a, kept at any point in the free space, kept at any point in the free space, then what is the potential due to this charge at a distance of 3 centimeters, at a distance of 3 centimeters. If a charge Q1, or let us take Q be the charge kept at any point in the free space, we need to find the potential at a distance of 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters from the charge. Nothing but what is, this is a expression for potential due to point charge. Potential due to the point charge. What is equation? V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay. Q by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. What is Q is equals here? 1 microcoulomb. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 9 into 10 power 9. And what is the Q value? 1 microcoulomb, that is 10 power minus 6. And what is R is given 3 centimeters. 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So 3 into, what is here, plus 9 minus 6 plus 3 plus 2 becomes 3 into 10 to the power of 5 volts. Okay. V is equals to 3 into 10 to the power of 5 volts. When a point charge is kept at any point in the free space, okay, Q is equals to 1 microcoulomb. Now we need to find the potential at a distance of 3 centimeters. What is V is equals to, we got 3 into 10 to the power of 5 volts. Means whenever we are calculating the potential, okay, due to the point charge, when the distance is increases, what happens? The potential value will be decreases. Okay, this is the expression for potential due to the point charge. If two charges same, the problems may be asked like this. If two unlike charges are kept at a certain distance apart, then what is the expression for the zero potential? What is the distance of the zero potential? Okay, zero potential means we have the two values here. One is inside the system, the other is outside the system. Okay, this is about the potential due to point charge. Okay.